Hello everyone, I am going to discuss cubic unit cells and different types of cubic unit cells in solid state like simple cube, body centered cube, face centered cube. So here I am taking the first one is simple cube. Simple cube also known as uh, primitive cube. So simple or primitive cubic unit cell. Here the atoms only present at corners or atoms present only at corners. So as you can see in this diagram, atoms only present at corners of the tube. So here we know contribution at corners is 1 by 8 and there are 8 corners. So we will get one atom, that is effective atom. One atom is, we call this is effective atom. In solid state, in the simple cube, atoms only present at corners and contribution at corners is 1 by 8 and there are 8 corner atoms. So completely one effective atom is present in a simple cube. And here uh, in reality these atoms are touching together. These corner atoms touches together with the next corner atom. If we see this one in the reality, they are in touch together. They are like this. So here at corners contribution will be 1 by 8 and there are 8 corners. So contribution into 8 corners. So we will get effective atoms. Here effective atoms in the simple cube will be 1 atom. This is about a simple cube. The next one is body centered cube. Here body centered cube is also known as that also called as BCC simply. So here in BCC atoms present at corners and at body center. Atoms or ions, whatever, lattice points we call this one. So here they are present at and corners and body center. We know corners are 8 and its contribution is 1 by 8. So we'll get one effective atom. At body center, the complete atom belongs to one particular unit cell. So contribution at body center will be one atom. So effective atoms, effective atoms in BCC will be 2. Effective atoms in BCC will be 2. So here effective atoms in BCC will be 2 atoms. Next one is here in the BCC we have to remember atoms present at corners and body center. In the next one we can see FCC. FCC also known as CCP. In FCC, CCP both have similar lattice points. So here in FCC atoms present at corners and face centers. Here corners are 8 and its contribution is 1 by 8. So effective atoms will be 1. And face centers, there are 6 faces and each face center atom contribution is 1 by 2. So here you will get 3. Effective atoms in FCC, face centered cubic unit cell, that will be 1 plus 3, that will be 4 atoms. Effective atoms in simple cube is 1. Effective atom in body centered cubic unit cell is 2. Effective atoms in face centered cubic unit cell is 4 atoms. So here we have to remember where the atoms are present in a particular unit cell. In simple cube, atoms present only at corners. In BCC, atoms present only at corners and body center. In FCC, atoms present at corners and face centers. See here, in this one, there are 6 faces. So in the 6 faces, atoms are present, and atoms also present in corners. So here in FCC, atoms present at corners and face centers.